Hello and welcome to our second video, 1-2. Today we're talking about comparing and ordering whole digit numbers through the millions. Our goal is that you will be able to determine how the position of a digit in a number relates to its value, how much that number is actually worth. And I just wanted to bring your attention to our less than and greater than symbols. We're using those today, and let's get started. Okay, so here we have a table. This is a table. I will draw your attention to the title of the table. Remember when we're talking about things that go left to right, these are called rows. Up and down is called columns. And then each individual box here is called a cell. Just a little review there. Now the directions for this problem ask us to use place value to order the countries from greatest to least. So first it says we need to line up the ones place and compare the digit in the greatest place, okay? So if I have 1,068,296, 2,000,000, okay, we already know that one's bigger, 967,893, we have 1,269,338. You see how I'm just kind of lining up my ones and going from there so I can really look at these numbers and compare them. Then I have 125,181. Okay, so I lined up so that all my ones digits are lined up, therefore all the others are as well. Step 2 is we're going to compare the digits in the next place. So if I'm starting here, I want to start in my biggest place, so I have 2 ones and a 2. So if I'm going from greatest to least, then I know that 2,967,893 is my biggest, my greatest value. Okay, so when I'm looking here, though, I have a little bit of a problem because my next two are 1 and a 1. Okay, so then I'm going to go to my 100,000ths place. I have a 0 and I have a 2. Okay, so now I know that this number is bigger. My number 1,269,338. And then 1,068,296. And then lastly, we have a number that doesn't even have a digit in the millions place. Has one in the 100,000s place. That's the biggest digit. So 125,181 is the number with least value. Now, I think this is a really great strategy for you to remember, especially when we start doing decimals, because decimals sometimes get a little confusing. And so if we just take the time to line them up, then we can know that we are actually ordering them from least to greatest. Now, the last step that I always like to take is make sure that I wrote the numbers down correctly. So I'm going to go back to my original numbers here. I have 2,967,893. Yep. 1,269,338, 1,068,296, and 125,181. Okay, we're good to go. Greatest on the top, least on the bottom. Let's go to our last example here. Okay, so here we're going to practice. We're going to look at these two numbers here. So first off, I'm going to start by looking in the 100,000s place, 100,000s place. Okay, I see that I have a 6 and I have a 5, so I know the 6 is bigger, so I'm going to eat the number 655,543. It's bigger. Okay, so now for number 2 here, I noticed I have a 10 million, 10 million. Can't do anything with that. Okay, Hundred thousands place, though, if I look here, I have a 0 and I have a 2. Okay, so I know that this one is bigger. Now listen, please take the time to actually look at the numbers. That's the biggest mistake that I see kids make, is they quick glance, do it because they're telling themselves, this is easy, I don't need to take my time and actually look at the numbers. So I do want you underlining the number that you're looking at so that slows you down and shows me that you're taking your time to really look at the numbers. Okay, so lastly, we have to order the numbers 145,099, 154,032, 145,004, and 159,023 from greatest. Look at this. We better really look at this because oftentimes kids don't read the directions and they do least to greatest, greatest to least. They get it mixed up. So we really want to make sure we underline them, circle them in your books, so that it's drawing your attention to what is the question asking me. All right, so first off, I'm going to line them all up, starting with the ones place, so that all the digits, all the place value is lined up nicely. Okay, I went ahead and did that, so you don't have to watch it painstakingly. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start. I notice they all have the same number in the hundred thousands place. Okay, if I go to the 10,000s place, they have 4 and 5. All right, well, I know that my 2 5s, so I'm going to be looking at these two numbers here. Those are going to be the bigger ones. Okay, so now I'm looking at 4 and I'm looking at 9. So I know that this one right here is the biggest, 159,023. Okay, next I know it's going to be 154,032. Okay, now I'm going to look at my last two numbers. I've got a 145, 145, 145,000s. Okay, if I look at the hundreds place, both zeros. I'm looking here and I'm looking here, both zeros. Okay, that doesn't help. Then if I look at my tens place, I have a 9 and a 0. Okay, so this one's bigger. 145,099. Make sure that this looks like a comma, not a decimal. And then lastly, I have 145,004. Okay, and I'm going to double check. Did it tell me to order greatest to least or least to greatest? Oh, looks like greatest to least. I did do that. Greatest to least. So we are good to go. Thank you for watching this video today, and we will see you later.